Are you aware of the preparations that Savannah is trying to make to accommodate the ships that go through the Panama Canal?
Absolutely, and I'm going to be in Savannah at the end of January. There is a trade conference at Sea Island, Georgia, on the 28th, 29th, and 30th of the month, I believe, and then the following day I will travel to Savannah. I'm hoping to get Alberto Aleman, who's the administrator of the Panama Canal, to also join me on that occasion. I already spoke here at an event a couple of months ago, so I'm trying to do my best to tighten the relationship between Atlanta and Panama with daily flights on Delta, and I think there's a great possibility for our two communities to continue to build on what is already there and strengthen the relationship. And everybody tells me wherever I go that Savannah is the port that is going to benefit the most from the expansion of the canal. But they have to do their homework, they have to get the funding, they have to expand their facilities because I have been already to Mobile, Alabama, New Orleans, Port Manatee, Tampa, the ports in Miami, and Baltimore. They're all competing for these bigger ships that are going to come through. And of course, Savannah has the inside track. And I was happy to hear that they were the mayor was at the White House recently trying to get funding for this, because if they don't get it, they're going to lose out. We were just at the port in New Jersey with the president of Panama right across from Newark Airport, and they are concerned about the fact that perhaps Savannah will take away some of their business if they don't move. For them it's a lot more difficult because they basically have a problem with the bridge leading onto the port there in New Jersey, and they're going to have to either build a tunnel or raise the bridge, which I didn't know could be done, but apparently they think they have the technology to be able to accomplish that. So it's fascinating, it's exhilarating. I never realized before I became ambassador what a great interconnectivity there was between the expansion of the Panama Canal and the activities of the port here, what they need to do to be ready for that occasion.